Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls or imposters who copy my video content, use my titles, and wear cat heads. And there I was, sitting here at about 4 minutes to noon. I thought I heard something at the door, but it was only the wind, or so I thought. And with my powers and abilities far beyond those of ordinary men, I got up. I heard a noise all the way from over here. I went to the door, and whereas a few minutes before there was nothing, I heard a sound, and suddenly, as in a whoosh of air, appeared two mysterious bags at my door. And this is Burgh Unboxing. So let's see what's in these mystery bags. Alright, we have a thing of Nana's chicken noodle soup. And we have a chicken pot pie made with cage-free eggs. No battle royale there. And we have a third item, very heavy, very large. And it is a boneless beef ribeye steak. Someone spent some serious money on this, $22.49. I've spent money on a roast that much, but never a steak. I am dumbfounded and shocked by this, and I thank whoever sent it. Well, let's see what's in bag number 2. In bag number 2 we have an empty bag. No. I opened the bag, that's all that's in here. Some mandarin oranges. Organic mandarins. What looks like a bird more than an orange. And they have one for limes too, apparently. I've never seen these before. Wild River Organic Mandarins, but it's kind of a different kind of a label. Look like a couple of birds. Oh, it says Wild Isles live in our organic form, naturally keeping pesky. That's interesting. Scenic Yuba River oranges. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thank you, whoever sent these. I was not expecting this on a Sunday morning. And I will cook these later. And I really appreciate it. And then I'll have bags for trash to deal with. Never ordered anything from Whole Foods Market. I've been there. I've bought stuff, not much, but thank you. And I could cut that up into probably 3 pieces and make 3 different meals out of it. That thing is huge. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I am going back to sleep. I wonder how you cook this. You've got to be kidding me. This is $14. My God. Remind me not to buy this Whole Foods. I would pay $14 for a pie, but thanks whoever sent it. But that's incredible. It better be damn good for $14. You know how many of these Marie Callender's I could buy for these? Oh my God. Or the El Cheapo banquet. I'm not complaining by any means. I'm just shocked. That's expensive. At least to me it is. Does people really go and buy a pot pie for $14? Wow. I think it doesn't have any instructions how to cook this. And since it's metal... Oh, here we go. Preheat oven to 350. Remove film wrap. Place on baking sheet. Cook for 55 minutes. For food safety, cooked to 165 internal temperature. Like, how would I know? I don't have a meat thermometer. Prior to consumption. So, who knew? Okay. Take that label off. My God. $14 for pie. I don't want to think about what the soup cost and the mandarin oranges, but this is, okay, this says stove top, put it in a pot. I can't read it. Simmer on medium for 8 to 10 minutes. Microwave, put it in the microwave safe boil. Cover and microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir contents and let rest for 1 minute. Heat product till it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit throughout. Caution, contents may be hot. I should hope so, because who would want to eat cold chicken soup? All right, just I'm boggled by this. Oh, let's look at the steak, see if they have any instructions for this before I go. There's safe handling instructions, but nothing about cooking. And this is a £1.5 steak, which means it's about $11 a pound. Actually, since it's £1.5 and it's $22.50, it's a little less than maybe $10 a pound. I don't know, but that's mind-boggling too. All right, that's it for this one. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. I am absolutely amazed. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry. Stay cool and dry. Stay safe. Thank you for somebody who sent this, but this is so far out of my price range. I am astounded the prices. The soup I would buy, I don't know. That's got to be, Safeway charges about $5 for a soup like that. They have different kinds of soup, but prepackaged soup that aren't in a can. I've had those. Some of them are pretty good, but I usually ladle them out. But with all the corona, you can't do that now. But that's the price of a roast. Amazing. All right, bye-bye for now.